Not which soil characteristic allows greater amounts of water retention? So what this question is asking, it says, basically, if we poured water onto some particles, is the water going to go through the slowest? Which one is going to hold that water? And the way I always like to think about this one is when they're talking about there's a flood coming and you're going to put sandbags down. Now, you put those sandbags down because that sand will hold the water, stop the water from coming through. So you wouldn't use large sized particles like boulders and cobbles and things like that to stop water, right? It's not going to hold the water. The water is going to go straight through it, or straight through that wall. You're going to use small sized particles like sand or clay is great. Won't let anything through. It's the same reason they make like a vase or pottery out of clay, because that water won't go through it. You can never make it out of large sized particles. The correct answer is 2, but let's look at these other 2 things. 3, high density particles. It doesn't really make sense. Okay, density doesn't really change the amount that is going to hold. Maybe a little bit if there's like a lot of pressure. You would want something that had higher density because it'd be stronger. But it doesn't make the most sense. And for low density particles, it doesn't really make much sense at all. You definitely want small sized particles like sand or clay, something that is going to hold water back, keep that water retention high.